Hi, it's Shakti. I trust you're doing your best. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple sequence of Kundalini Yoga that everyone can do it. I'm offering the sequence without a sound because I would like you to be mindful what's happening for you within. Regardless what's happening within you, all of us welcome, and I invite you to be curious about the process. I'm also honoring this practice to honor Pachamama, planet Earth. I'm really grateful to be a child of Pachamama, deep respect as she's nurturing, caring and loving all of us human beings so we can exist. So let's begin, and please subscribe, share and comment. So let's begin. Let's wrap our palms together, sit taller, relax the shoulder, gently close your eyes or gaze your focus down towards the earth, sensing and feeling what's happening within. I'm upside, so I feel the spirits of the wind. And now pause, bring the palms to your sternum, and let's inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Let's inhale. Hold the breath, press the palms and be absolutely still. Exhale, relax, hands in Gya Mudra. Keep the eyes closed, focus into your third eye. Set intention, prayer or dedication for this practice. Please inhale and exhale. As always, please listen to your body. Is there anything you cannot do? Please imagine yourself doing it. And I'm moving around because the cat, as you see, is on a chain, so he doesn't get hurt. So let's begin by grabbing your shin, your ankles, and spine of legs. Inhaling forward, exhaling backwards. Inhaling forward, exhaling backwards. Keeping the spine straight and the chin aligned, so we are not jerking the neck. Imagine maybe you're riding a camel. Close the eyes. Coordinate your breath with your movement. And let's continue. Gently pull the navel towards the spine. We breathe through nose only. Please continue. And please inhale center. Suspend the breath in gentle root lock. So squeeze your anus, sexual organs, navel in, and let's hold. And relax. Now bring the hands to your knees, and we continue spinal flex. Inhale forward, run the back. Inhale forward, run the back. Let's keep flowing. Honoring what's happening within. Noticing any judgments, any thoughts. Bringing mindfulness to our practice. And coming to the center, inhaling and exhaling and pausing on an exhale. And release. Please come sit on the heels. Rag pose, thunderbolt pose also known. Hands on the thighs, continue with spinal flex. Please deepen the breath. Please inhale center, hold the breath, root lock. Exhale, release. Remain in a rag pose, a comfortable position. Bring the hands to the shoulders, thumb behind, the other four fingers. Elbows are aligned with your shoulders. Relax them. Inhale, twist to the left, exhale, twist to the right. And let's continue. Check if your elbows are aligned with the shoulders. Please inhale center, pull the shoulder blades together, navel in and hold. Exhale, release. Bring the legs, stretch in front of you. Spread them as wide as possible. Now, ideally you're grabbing your big toes. If not, just grab your shins, your ankles. Inhale center, exhale to the left. Inhale center, exhale to the right. And continue. Inhaling center, exhaling to the left. Inhaling center, exhaling to the right. Keeping the spine as straight as possible and being conscious of your neck. Now you can inhale center and bring the right right arm bend to the left. Inhale center and reverse. Exhale. Inhale center, exhale. Inhale center and continue. Spread the legs a little bit wider and continue. Keep your arms straight. Inhaling center, exhaling to the right. Inhaling center, exhaling to the left. Point the toes or flex them. And inhale center, stretch towards the heavens, relax the shoulders. Exhale, lean forward, grab the big toes if possible. Inhale center, exhale, lower yourself down. Inhale center, bend forward. Inhale center, bend forward. Wherever you are, it's okay, and let's continue. Close your eyes, go with it. Relax your jaw. Inhale and lean forward as low as possible and hold the breath. Exhale, release, roll yourself up, head last. Bring the soles of the feet together, rub them with your fingers, bring the heels close to your perineum, keep the spine straight, and gently start moving your knees up and down as you are butterfly with the wings, or any creature of your choice that has wings. Long, deep breathing. See if you can bring the heels closer and continue. Please inhale, bring the knees as high as possible, hold the breath and apply root lock. Exhale, release, lower the knees, stretch the legs in front, shake your legs if you wish to. Shake it, na na na. And come, sit in easy pose, lotus pose. Hands on the knees, shoulders shrug. Inhale up, exhale down. Shoulders come to the ears. And continue. Play with it. This is excellent. I use it with my patients. Release anxiety and any fears. this is a moderate to fast pace. So perhaps if you're going slower, just keep a moderate pace. The reason we do that, as it really helps release the tension from the body. Where slow motion can actually increase it. I'm not saying it can, just something switches. Inhale, shoulders up, hold the breath, navel in. And release. Be absolutely still. Hands in Gya Mudra, so index finger and the thumb together, palms are up. Bring your arms straight, no bending in the elbows. And let's just breathe. And now begin gentle neck rolls, really small circles. Inhaling backwards, exhaling forward. Keeping the arms straight, no bending in the elbows. Next time your chin is in the center, reverse the direction. And coming to the center. Inhale, chin down. Exhale, lift the chin up. Inhale, chin down. Exhale, chin up, and continue. Tell me what you see. What do you feel inside? Bring the chin to the center. Relax the elbows. And let's just consciously breathe. We're gonna be here in silence for a few minutes, focusing attention on the sound of your breath. So let's continue. I will guide you when it's time to move on. And slowly inhale and exhale. Bring our palms into prayer mudra. And let's end with long sat, short nam. Let's inhale to chant. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. May pure light within you guide your way on. Thank you for joining. Sat Nam.